Hey, let's try that again. Come on, baby. Oh, you know what? It worked that time. You know what? Lots of times it doesn't work. And I've been wanting to make a video about this. And I didn't think it was going to open this time. But I'm going to look up here, right where the garage door motor is. And see those two little blue screws there? I think I can adjust it right there. I was talking to a garage door installer, and that makes the tension on the garage door a little less or a little more. He said try that first. Then if that didn't work, let's see what else he told me. He said to make sure that it's running make sure it's running loose, and there's a little rope up here. Remember your rope right here. You could pop that, you could pull that off like that. You just pull down on it. Then you can open up the door by itself. Okay, I just opened the door by itself, and he said look at that and it should stop wherever you leave it. Well, I'm kind of checking this out right now. See right there it goes down by itself. Like he said open it and it should stay. Okay, well I'll have to, I think that's rolling okay. Hang on to it this time. And then this thing here, I can just grab this and pull on it like that, and that locks it back into place. But he said you could try spraying this just with, I asked him, I think he said a lube spray, and I said what about silicone spray? Yes, you could try that, but not WD-40. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try this again, see if it won't get stuck. See there? That is such an annoying thing. I didn't do anything. It went up and then it stopped. You could hear the motor kind of churn like it was working overtime or something. Then you know, the only way to do it, to get it up, if you're in your car, you take your remote. I'm gonna press that. Let me set the camera down. And then you can press it again and have somebody come over and kind of help pull it up as it's coming up. See, once you get it past that one little bit, it's okay. So if you have an emergency or something, you don't know what to do, and you're out in your car. Let's say you're out in your car and you're trying to get in. You've got some issues, don't you? Especially if somebody locked your front door and your screen door and you don't happen to have a key to the screen door or something like that. You're going to be like, how do I get inside the house? Okay, so I'm going to take a look at that in a little bit, and I'm not sure if I can get it fixed or not. We'll just have to see. And if I can't get it fixed with those little screws up there, you can always look in your little owner's manual if you know where it is. Take a look at that. But I would not suggest going any further, like trying to adjust the spring tension. See, here's the other garage door. I'm just going to leave this one up for a minute. And all garage doors have that tension bar on there. Do not I repeat, do not start messing with that. There's a way to adjust that. But if you're not a garage door expert on installation, you won't know what you're doing. And the last thing you want to do is get hurt with that thing, with something happening to it, okay? So I'm only going to do a few things to this garage door. I'm going to tweak the screws up there, see what happens. Spray that other spring back there. And after that, if I can't get it fixed, guess what? The next call is to the garage door doctor.